Today, I'm letting Claude AI pick products from my warehouse for me, and hopefully these products make me money. If Claude gets this wrong, I'm stuck with inventory that might never move. Here's the plan. Today, I'm going to actually use my phone, which I have the Claude AI app on, and we're going to essentially use Claude AI to approve each product we buy. I'm going to actually type in and take pictures of each product you're going to walk through with me. And as always, no fake guru stuff. We're looking at real products, real margins, and of course, I wouldn't be me if we didn't take real risk.
All right, guys, so here's the moment of truth. But before we get into the video, make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe if you guys are looking for more reselling tips and tricks and also real business advice. I am somebody that owns phone stores and a warehouse in Philadelphia. I do this for a living. I don't make most of my money online. I actually make it physically. I work with big businesses like AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, and provide accessories to even Amazon DSPs. So if you're somebody looking to actually get into the weeds and learn how to really make this reselling thing work without drop shipping dreams, please subscribe and of course like this video. I have Claude up. We're going to actually talk about these, which are chargers. Okay, we have a type C to type C 20 pack, and then we have a type C to lightning 20 pack, and then we have a USB to lightning. So these packs are going to cost us around $20. Okay, so $20 is what this is going to cost me, $1 a piece. What I'm going to do with Claude is I'm going to say, hey, I am getting type C to type C chargers for $1 each. Is this worth buying and selling online? How much should I price it for? And is it a good buy? Let's see if this is a good buy. I'm very curious. The market is tough. On Amazon, most popular USB-C, the USB cable sell for around $10 to $20, with that price being the most common. So it's saying your margins is real thin. So at $1, theoretically you have room to price competitively, but here's the problem. Amazon fees eat 15%. Okay, let's say, what about eBay? Nervous, y'all. So the math on a single cable at $4. So sales price $4, eBay fee, so profit will be $1. So cost of cable $1. The math on a 5-pack at $10 with free shipping, 80% profit. But what if we will not do any free shipping for any of the products? Okay, so profit will be 46 per cable, so that's a slim positive, but so 46 per cable, the 5-pack at $10, that would get us $1.55. The real money is in the bulk lot. So a 10-pack at $15 plus 6 shipping, sales price $15, eBay fee $2.73, shipping $5.50, cable cost $10. You make $3.77 per lot. List a multi, okay, I mean, should I buy it? Yes or no? Should I buy it? Yes or no? Let's see, guys. Should we actually buy it? Let's see. And again, we're talking about these cables. Yes, buy it, but start smart. The margins are thin online, but a $1 cable, yeah, I mean, again, we can sell these in person, so I'm gonna get 50 of them. So we got our first product. It's going to be these cables. Now, I don't really get them for $1. I get them for around 85 cents, but I said $1 just because I always want to overprice when I'm talking to Claude, just so I can guarantee that what it's telling me is going to make me even more profit than what it shows. All right, so the next product that we're gonna get is this mini fan. So this mini fan is a light up fan. It's definitely gonna sell at zoos, it's gonna sell at events, and especially in Philadelphia, we had the World Cup, so we'll be able to sell this. But let's type it into Claude and see if this is something we should be able to get. Now here's the problem. I don't know how much this is going to cost. $4 each. So we're going to type that in, $4 each. Okay, and let's see what Claude says. Hopefully this is another buy. Okay, yes, buy it. Yes. Okay, so this is actually a better product than the cables. Here's why. Market pricing on eBay, these mini lanyard fans sell for 10 to 18 each. At $4, you have the real margin to work with. So the math is 12 plus the 5 shipping, buyer pays. So the sales price, $12, the eBay fee, $1.56. So we'll be able to make $6.44 per fan. So this is a definite buy. This would definitely make sense at $6 per fan. We can even do something like buying 12 of them. So $6.44 times 12. That means we're coming away with $77.28 profit. We would be kicking out 48 minus the 77. We make $29 off of one bulk order or semi-bulk order of fans. This next product is too big for me to carry, so let's actually take a look. This is a good scooter, $285. Now, what about this e-bike? Okay. It's gonna ask me how much, $280. I keep forgetting to put the price, $285. Hold on, I didn't even, it's saying legitimate and we didn't even get to the price. Okay, I am getting it for $285. To recap, your best move, list at $380, $420 on Facebook Marketplace and eBay as local pickup, because again, shipping is going to be hard with this product. Okay, so my profit will be $95 to $135 per scooter. How many should I buy? So right now it's just saying we should buy everything. It hasn't told me something yet that we shouldn't buy. But I got a product in mind that maybe it might go against. Okay, it's telling me to just buy as I sell. Huh, okay. The next thing is gonna be this fan, okay? So, here's the fan right here, right? We are getting it for $35. Now I'm waiting for it to tell me no on something, right? Because see, I think that with electronics, it's seeming like a yes man. No, pass on this one. Here's a problem. Home Depot sells 12-inch ones for $39.99. Okay, so okay, skip it. Put that money into the scooters or the mini fan instead. Boom, we got a no. So now we got some speakers behind us. Now speakers used to sell really, really well, but I'm interested and I think we may be able to find some speakers to buy or some to pass. Let's see. Let's first start with this TNG, okay? So we got this TNG. I'm gonna take a picture, okay? And we're going to get it, I get this for $45. Now, I don't usually sell speakers online. I usually just try to keep it a surface level thing. I sell it in person. They sell way better in person. In my experience, when I sell it online, I'm not making as much money. So that's why I kind of, okay, pass on this one. So it's saying TNG is a budget no name. We have this speaker. Boom, I'm gonna take two. Boom. All right, we're gonna take two, okay? Now, I think it was really interesting that it just said stay away from TNG because it's a budget one. That's no hard pass. Okay, so, wow. So it's selling for 8 to 15. So this is saving us money. It's allowing us to actually have an option to look at another perspective, right? Let's do this one, okay? So smart portable speaker, okay? So we're going to actually take a picture of this one, okay? And this one, we don't need to take a picture on the other side. What about this one? $15 COG. Yes, this one has potential. So this is different from the other speakers because it's a karaoke. So now karaoke speakers always sell better. Why? Because they have two different use cases. Yes, you can listen to music, but also it has some type of entertainment purpose. Now it's saying for the math at 35 on eBay. So we can sell it for $35. So basically it's saying we can sell it for $35. We can make $15.45 per unit. And the math is clear, but it's really saying it's for a couple use cases. The mic, RGB lights, karaoke angle, makes it a gift item, or parents might buy it for kids. It's saying buy and start with 20 to 30 units. At $15.45 for 20 units, I mean, we're making $300 and some change, but I don't know. I'm not quite sold, only because of the packaging. Okay, so now as we continue to go out the box, we have this LED wireless charging speaker. These used to sell for me really well last year. They cost us $15, so cost $15. Let's see what this is saying. Searching the web. Now, I like the fact that today it's saying searching web. In the previous videos, you guys seen that it was basically saying it was pulling it from out of thin air. Hopefully, at the end of this video, when we ask where all these numbers came from, it doesn't tell me, it was guessing. Yes, buy this one. This is your best speaker deal of the day. Here's why. It's a 6-in-1 device, Bluetooth speaker, wireless charger, RGB lamp, alarm clock, FM. Yeah, that's true. The math at 35 on eBay, again, $15. The problem that I'm seeing with this, guys, is doesn't this right here look very similar to this? Doesn't it look like it's just copying? We're gonna investigate that a little later because some don't seem right now, but we'll go ahead and buy it and hopefully we don't lose out. All right, next product, we're doing 65-watt PD, so 65-watt power adapter, but I like this because it is showing a similar branding to the Samsung ones. So let's see if this will sell. So what I'm going to start doing is, let's turn on our screen recording. So this 65 watt power adapter with the cable, it costs, I believe, like $11. It's expensive. That's why I don't really promote it. But let's see. Pass. The problem is clear. The generic 65 watt chargers. So selling on eBay for those $2 to $3. And then it gives me a link this time, y'all. It didn't give me no link on the other ones. Did it? Yeah, no. So skip. It says skip. Let's do one more real quick. All right, let's do this Icon Q, which again, you know what kind of amazes me is these are the chargers I sell to businesses because they like this name brand, the Icon Q. But I don't think that they'll sell well online. Okay, so I'm gonna stop right here. Why? Because we've got a good amount of information right now, and I think that we need to dig a little bit deeper and see if Claude is actually giving us realistic answers or not. So what we're gonna do is when I get back to my desk, we're gonna search for these products, see if these products are actually gonna sell for the amount Claude said, try to list them, and hopefully we get the results. But also, we're gonna ask Claude when we get back if it's actually pulling the right data from online or is it just guessing again. Now, if you're somebody out there that likes this style of video and you guys want me to do AirPod clones or different type of products, please let me know. We will put them all through Claude, ChatGPT, and Grok if we have to. We need to see how we can incorporate AI to help us effectively as resellers. And I'm willing to fail so you guys don't, so you guys know the right way to utilize it.